How to change language on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can change language on Netflix. So to change language on Netflix, you'll need to update your application first of all. After you're done updating, click on the open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, or you'll be asked to select a profile. So right over here, I don't want you to select a profile. All you need to do is just click on the pencil shape icon located right on top. After that, you'll be able to make changes with your profile. So click on the particular profile where you actually want to make changes. Well, now once you're on this page, what I want you to do is go ahead and tap on display language, which is right on top. Currently it's in English, so whatever you prefer, tap on it or select it, and accordingly it will be changed. And also, if you want to change your audio and subtitle language, you can do that by tapping on audio and subtitle language. Do the same procedure as you did for the above, and that is going to change your language. So this is how you can change a language on Netflix. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.